Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is September 25th, 2016. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at the current market trend and our strategy. US stock market is back to the uptrend as Nasdaq made new highs. I'm currently long the market through the ETF and the strong stocks. Let's take a look at market indices. German DAX index, and this is back up to the 50-day moving average, has a potential to go up, even though the long-term trend is still going down, but the short-term has potential to reverse that to go up. Nasdaq is making a new high. Nasdaq is making historical high, in fact. It fell below 50-day moving average, but rebound quickly, and now it's making the new high. SP 500 is still below the new high, annual high. However, on Thursday, it attempted to go above 50-day moving average. On the Friday, it fall back again. So we have to see what SP 500 will do next. Right now, the long-term trend is up, but short-term is consolidating. Gold is making these lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. So gold is consolidating in this trading range with the potential that the trend is going down. Silver is doing the same. The trend is going down here. Gold mining stock ETF. And this is trending down, and his 50-day moving average and came down. 50-day moving average is a resistance. Crude oil is consolidating. This is a triangle pattern, and we have to see whether crude oil will break out to the upside of the triangle or break down to the downside. That will decide what crude will do next. Crude oil ETF triangle pattern here. It's the same. Energy stock ETF. Energy sector is in this trading range. China-Asia market downtrend below 50-day moving average. We have to see next move whether it continue to go down or has a potential to stand above 50-day moving average. If China-Asia stand above 50-day moving average, then this market can go up. But for now, it's in the downtrend. China ETF, FXI, this ETF is going up. It's in the uptrend. Biotech ETF. Biotech just made a trend reversal not long ago. 50-day moving average cross above 200-day moving average. This is a golden cross. For midterm and long term, this index is going up. It's reversed to the upside. Real estate ETF, short term is in the downtrend, long term is uptrend, but short term is correcting. Airline ETF, downtrend. Semiconductor ETF, uptrend. This is a strong uptrend. Social media ETF is another very strong uptrend. Solar ETF is in downtrend. Financial ETF, this is very encouraging that financial ETF actually rebounded above 50-day moving average. So we have to watch this, see if it can stay above 50-day moving average or not. If it cannot, then it's troublesome for the whole market because the financial sector tend to lead the market. If it can stay above 50-day moving average, that's a good thing. Utility ETF reversed the downtrend, going to the upside. Okay, I'm going to share with you the monthly chart of the world stocks of all countries, a lot of major countries. US Nasdaq monthly chart. As we see, we're in this big macro uptrend. We actually go above, we actually break the high that was made in year 2000, the .NET bubble. Before the bubble burst, the market was very strong. And we now are above that high. So NASDAQ has a leg to go even higher. SP 500 monthly chart is also near the historical high. Norway has reversed that trend. It was in a downtrend, now has a potential to reverse that trend. You can see the slope of this blue line, which is the 12 months moving average. That's annual moving average. Is tilting up. So Norway has a potential to go up. Russia ETF and also has a potential to go up. Also seems like in the process of reversing this downtrend. If Russia actually break about 15.51, that actually will break out from this W bottom. That's a confirmed trend reversal there. And Canada is in this trading range, stuck in this trading range. German ETF, German is in a downtrend. Long term is in a downtrend, even though short term is try to tail up. It is encouraging that we actually close above the previous high, 26.25. Well, we have to wait for the next few days. We still have a few days to go for the before the end of this month. If this month we close above this high, that's encouraging. Then German ETF, German stock has a potential to reverse that trend. For now, we just watch. Hong Kong ETF, it's in the short-term uptrend. Long-term is also a big giant uptrend. Japan is in the long-term for the past 20 years. Japan has been stuck in this big giant trading range, $6, $13 trading range. So for now, Japan is hitting the upper bound of that trading range. Switzerland monthly chart. Switzerland is in downtrend, but they also attempt to reverse that trend. Now this is France, it's in a downtrend. Singapore stock, Singapore it's in the trading range between $8 and $13. Taiwan macro trend is up, but short term we had a correction. Now the correction seems to be over, so it's moving up. It also finished this double bottom pattern here. United Kingdom downtrend. Mexico is in a downtrend. South Korea, it was in a downtrend, now it's tilting up. It's may reverse that downtrend, but the macro trend is in a trading range. It's stuck in this $44 and $65 trading range. That's South Korea. Brazil was in a downtrend, and last few months it started going up, and it tilted to the upside. Annual moving average is going up, so Brazil has the potential to continue go up. We should wait and see how long the Olympic effect will carry on. So for now, it's in the uptrend. FXI is a China large cap ETF. We showed earlier we showed you the daily chart. Now this is a monthly chart. FXI is also in a trading range. It's been find support at $28 for many times, and the resistance at 46. Last year it broke above the resistance, but quickly came down again. So now we're heading above that resistance again. Europe ETF downtrend. India right now is in the uptrend. So it was in a downtrend, now reversed. It's in the uptrend. that's the ETFs and the indices. Let's take a look at the stocks on the watch list. There are two lists of the stocks to watch. One is the stocks in a buy range, another is too extended, is too high, not in a buy range. What called buy range? What is when the stock making a base and a breakout from that base, and the breakout point, there's something called pivotal point, breakout pivotal point. And if you buy the stock around the breakout pivotal point, that's a good idea. But if the stock moves too quickly, if its stock is more than 5% above that pivotal point, then it's too late to buy. So that's when we call stocks too extended. And buy a stock that's more than 5% of pivotal point. It doesn't mean you cannot make money, but the chances are you may be hit with a correction. So its risk is higher. Let's take a look at those stocks. DPZ, this is a list that's near the buy point. It's still within the buy range. And DPZ, this is a breakout 140 and 12 cents. So we always add 10 cents above the previous high. And of course, it's a gap up. You really don't have a chance to buy. Now, the recent buy point is when the stock pull near the 50-day moving average and rebound from that 50-day moving average, that would be a buy point. And then you have another one breakout above this little high here. So now this stock is in a buy range. FAS is a financial ETF, 3 times of financial ETF index. And this ETF is in a rebound from the 50-day moving average. That would be the buy point. Facebook had several buy points. Most recent one is 128.43 cents right here. So now it's pulling below that buy point now. Google, most recent buy point, $810.45. And now on Thursday has another buy point above this high here. So we're within the buy range. LN is a Japan's internet stock. Right now it's moving up. So we have most recent breakout from this previous high is a $45.44. We also have another breakout right here. And so this is within the buy range. TCL is a 3 times of NASDAQ ETF. Right now, we can use the rebound from 50-day moving average as a buy point. Okay, now let's take a look at second list. These are the stocks that's beyond the buy range. They're too extended. Applied Materials. But it doesn't mean you cannot continue hold on to them. If you already have those stocks, hold on to them. They have not shown distribution sign yet. But if you don't have those stocks, wait for pullback. If the stock pull back to 50-day moving average and rebound from there, that's a buy point. Amazon, uptrend, very strong uptrend. Alibaba, also very strong uptrend. No buy point here. Edward Life Science, uptrend. Very strong. GoPro, this is a stock I like to spend a little time with. GoPro had been in a long-term downtrend for a long time until this year and started going up. And it also have a big pullback. Recently, a rebound from 50-day moving average. Depends on how you look at the chart. If you look at a rebounding from 50-day moving average as a buy point right now, GoPro is too far away from that 50-day moving average. So the risk is high. There's no, it's not in the buy range. However, if you look at this little base here, if you consider this is some kind of flat base, then the buy point is $16.35 right here. And we are still in that range. We are still in that buy range. So GoPro, depends on how you read the chart. If you read chart as a breakout from this little base, you can still buy it. Of course, the best buy would be near the 50-day moving average. IPHI, this is a semiconductor stock, uptrend. NetEase, Chinese stock, Chinese internet gaming stock, going up, uptrend. NVIDIA, very strong uptrend. Recently, it pulled back to 50-day moving average. That was the opportunity to buy NVIDIA. And last week, it's also break out from this little flat base here. And it's also another opportunity to buy NVIDIA. Weibo right now is in a very strong uptrend. So that's the stocks, what to do in this market. And I already long the market through the strong stocks or ETFs. Now I'm asking you a favor. Can you please subscribe to my YouTube channel? From now on, I'm going to utilize YouTube channel to organize my videos and the publications. So please subscribe. When you watch the video, just click on the subscribe button. That will subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's all for this week. See you next week.